A new philosophy for the future. Humanity needs a new philosophy, one rooted in curiosity and compatible with most existing beliefs. Let me explain. Our current philosophies and belief systems have guided us for centuries. But as we step into the era of space exploration and advanced technology, we need a unifying idea to propel us forward. This new philosophy should focus on curiosity about the universe, a shared desire to expand humanity beyond Earth, first to other planets, and eventually to the stars. Why is this compatible with most belief systems? Because curiosity is universal. It doesn't replace spiritual, cultural, or religious traditions. It enhances them by encouraging exploration, discovery, and awe. For example, many belief systems already emphasize the importance of stewardship, growth, and understanding our place in the cosmos. A philosophy centered on exploration aligns with these values. Imagine a future where we all unite around the goal of becoming a multiplanetary species, not to escape Earth, but to preserve and expand life, seeking answers to the mysteries of existence. This new philosophy isn't about division. It's about unity through curiosity. Let's inspire humanity to look up, move forward, and explore the unknown. What do you think about this vision for our future? Share your thoughts below.